Hello everybody, are you ready to create? Yay! Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper mosaic. First you need to get some colored card. If you don't have colored card, you can find colored paper from magazines or the newspaper or any piece of paper with color on it. I'm just cutting stripes, 2 stripes of each color. You might need more or less, but Then I'm putting all my stripes together and I'm going to cut little squares because mosaics is made by assembling squares of traditionally stone in ancient Rome and or tiles nowadays to create a picture, a little bit like pixel art. Now once you have all your pieces of paper, put them aside, keep them safe, and then I'm going to do a circle mosaic. You can do a square or any other shape you want, just using some tape to get my circle. And most mosaics in Pompeii and Herculaneum have a border, so I've just done my border like this, so it's done. And with a pencil I'm going to sketch my design. I'm going to do a geometrical design because I just want to start not too difficult. Of course, feel free to make a design as complicated as you want, as intricate as you want. So I've applied some glue all over the paper and then I'm sticking the paper all around. It's a good idea to work fairly fast so that the glue doesn't dry. If it does dry, just add some more. Make sure it's stuck though, otherwise your whole work's gonna fall off. So make sure it's well stuck. I'm adding some more glue and keeping on with my design. Now for the intricate part of the design. This is a bit trickier than the rest, but you need to cut your squares into smaller pieces so that they can fit into your design depending on what you're doing. It's a bit like creating a puzzle. Just cut some random shapes and then fit them in so that it works. Don't worry if you can see a bit of white, because that's going to make it look like a mosaic. However, you know, don't leave out large areas of white. That won't look nice. And then the last part is to fill in the background with the yellow. I've only used 2 colors, but feel free to add more colors. It's up to you what you do with it. But make sure you do color blocks or have outlines, otherwise your design might get lost with all the, if you're using more than 2 colors. And there we are. Have fun!